Why Go does not include a ternary operator. So you've been writing some Go code, and at some point you probably thought, wait, where's my ternary operator? Technically, Go's grammar does not include a ternary expression. In Go, if is always a statement, not an expression, so it cannot directly yield a value. What even is a ternary operator? The ternary operator addresses conditional assignment, the need to select between two values based on a Boolean condition. At its core, this is a fundamental control flow pattern in programming. It takes three operands: condition, question mark, value if true, colon, value if false. It evaluates the condition, then returns one of two values based on whether the condition is true or false. Expression versus statement. In language design, expressions evaluate to values, while statements perform actions. The ternary operator is an expression that returns a value. The Go philosophy: simplicity over cleverness. Go deliberately avoids syntactic variations that accomplish the same task. This contrasts with languages like Perl or Ruby that embrace there's more than one way to do it. Go was designed with specific, opinionated goals. If-else handles conditional logic, adding a ternary operator provides no semantic benefit, only syntactic sugar that fragments code style. Nesting gets ugly. A simple ternary expression is perfectly fine, easy to read, no problem. But here's what happens in real projects. People start nesting them, one inside another, like this horror show. Can you tell me what result will be if A is false and C is true? Go ahead, I'll wait.
This is legal C, but nearly impossible to parse mentally. What was sacrificed? Languages include ternary operators for brevity in simple cases, reduces 3 to 5 lines to 1, functional programming patterns, can't easily pass conditional logic as expression context, allows conditional logic where only expressions are valid, not statements. What can you do instead? Let's explore some alternatives, their drawbacks, and common anti-patterns to avoid. The map literal as fake ternary. Problems: allocates map on heap, evaluates both values always, slower than if-else, map lookup overhead, fails at compile time if keys aren't bool. The generic function trap with eager evaluation. With Go generics, developers often write this utility. Why this is dangerous? Lack of short-circuiting. The native ternary operator in C and Java is lazy, short-circuiting. It only evaluates the branch that is chosen. Function arguments in Go are eagerly evaluated before the function is called. Scenario: one branch contains a nil pointer dereference or an expensive calculation. Result: the Go runtime evaluates ptr.value before passing it to ternary. If ptr is nil, the program panics even though the condition is false. Lazy evaluation with functions. Pros: avoids eager evaluation problem, only executes needed branch. Cons: very verbose syntax, closure allocation overhead, definitely not idiomatic. Go's official reason. The official Go FAQ directly addresses this. Wrapping up. So, let's bring it all together. Why doesn't Go have a ternary operator? Readability over brevity, avoiding nested nightmares, and consistency. Is it annoying sometimes? Sure, a little. But once you embrace Go's philosophy, it starts to make sense. You spend less time decoding clever one-liners and more time actually understanding the logic. And maybe that's not such a bad trade. Thanks for sticking with me. If you found this helpful, you know what to do. And if you have strong opinions about ternary operators, I'd love to hear them. See you in the next one.